The high elevation mountains of the states of Michoacan and Mexico are truly a bike life paradise filled with beautiful climbs, cool, comfortable temperatures, kind people with rich traditional Mexican and indigenous heritage, which I observe through people's clothes, the crafts they sell, city decoration, architecture, the food, and the homes of locals that I stay with. Good morning from Toluca, just outside of Mexico City. Meet my amazing vegan hosts. This is Benjamin. He's from the United States, but has lived here for 3 years now to follow the love of his life, who eats what elephants eat. Yeah. This is Claudia. Thank you so much for hosting me.
Of course.
And let's go to some morning yoga. How about that, to start off the day?
Yeah. Do it.
Sometimes I miss daily vlogging because here in the center of Mexico, every day and night is a unique, fun, and just meaningful experience of meeting up with some local and having some great connection. But here in Toluca, just outside of Mexico City, I have found myself in a rest stop, a sanctuary of sorts that might top all other rest stops I've had. Excellent morning yoga, taught in Spanish. Beautiful studio. ¿Te sientas bien?
Me siento muy bien.
Chingón. Sí, muy bien, clase. As proper Mexicans, we head to the mercado in the morning to pick up needed food items for the day's nourishment. So these are mushrooms that grow on the outside of organic corn husks. And what are they called? ¿Cómo se dice en español?
Huitlacoche.
Huitlacoche.
And it's
packed like a Tetris game. The system of this mercado runs on organized chaos, which sometimes works better than forced over-organization like you'd see in places like the States. There's really no real rules in places like this. I can even bring Maggie. In a lot of areas, a lot of states of Mexico, there are these tortillerias, which I thought were the best corn tortillas made by that little machine. You've seen it in the vlog. But in Michoacan and then in this state, the state of Mexico, I've seen way more tortillas de maíz hecho a mano. Hechas en mano, which means totally made by hand, no machine at all. So check it out. Whoa! Like purple corn tortillas? Blue corn tortillas. That's amazing. All of the tortillas they make are blue corn?
Today, yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes they have white.
I have never seen that. That is awesome. Hola.
We're just making them now, so when you have one that just came out of the comal, it's
the best.
Got our blue tortillas fresh out of the oven. Got to try it hot. So, brother, what you making?
A little bit of sourdough.
You know, I was thinking about something. So yesterday, you guys fed me kombucha. We drank a beer. You make cheese. You make bread. When did you discover your love of fermented foods?
When I went vegan.
Really?
4 days ago. Or 4 years ago.
4 years ago yesterday.
¿En español o en inglés?
En español.
Los mexicanos comemos a las 3 o 4 y cenamos a las 8 o 9.
Sí, y en
Más tarde.
Estados Unidos es más antes. Is that how you say it? Like earlier? Más temprano. Más temprano. What do we got for lunch?
We got some grain curry with veggies and tofu.
I have not had curry since I was on the mango farm when we made curry all the time. So this is very special.
And some udon noodles.
Oh. It is nice when you stay with vegan chefs. I will not argue with that. It is kind of a plus when you get 3 home-cooked, incredible, fresh meals every single day. That's amazing. You are very polite, pretty, very elegant with your feet. Behind the scenes of the Ahimsa Kitchen Instagram photo shoot, where they have soaking, what is this, like 50 kilos? 30 kilos?
35, 36.
Of raw, cage-free, cruelty-free, non-cooked, grass-fed, pesticide, non-existent, resistant cashews, all the labels put into one. And these, so this is one macadamia nut jar. That's cool. And these come from Chiapas, Mexico, right?
Yes.
Chiapas grown raw cashews to make the queso. Atop the hill of the nut cheese factory is a garden of delicious kale, which we are snacking on raw. Whenever I eat kale in the grocery store, you can't eat that raw. I mean, you can, but most people put dressing because it's bitter. Kale, it's fresh out of the garden, it's like candy to me. It's sweet, it's delicious. Hashtag VegChad. Claudia and I decided to visit the Festival Alfenique, which happens every fall in Toluca. I see a lot of street fairs in my travels and bike life, usually with crappy mass-produced products. Limones con coco? Like, how do you say coconut meat? Like carne de coco or the flesh?
Carne de coco.
Sí? Carne de coco con limón y azúcar, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Wow. But this festival had some quality diversity in what they were selling, and the craftsmanship was very impressive. It was great to look at. We got a fig and a nopales, which is like a cactus hand. They just soak different fruits and vegetables like bananas and plums and figs, pineapples, but also squash and pumpkin and sweet potato. So we got cactus and fig. It looks like a lizard's tongue. It looks like a dragon tongue, nopales. Oh my god, it tastes like a grape, honestly. It tastes like a sweet grape to me. It's so good. It tastes like that as well.
It's good.
Very good. It's like homemade mazapanes.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Playing in the rain. Maggie likes the rain. Oh, Maggie needs to swim in that pond. Do you think she can? By her house? Elote kings with, what do they usually put on here? Mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Maggie! Sorry, I have to exit the vlog when Maggie loses her ball.
Mayonnaise and cheese and chili powder, lime.
We're just getting salt and chili
Yeah.
and lime.
Con chile también, por favor. How much do you want?
It's so cozy to be in a cold place eating warm corn. That's like just a month ago, like a blink of an eye ago, I was sweating my ass off, burning and dying. And now it's like winter. It's really weird. It's nice, it's refreshing though.
Hola.
Ayer nosotros comimos hamburguesas para almuerzo. Hoy es más mexicana auténtica, ¿verdad?
Sí.
¿Qué es?
Son tacos dorados.
So there's squash flowers, beans, and chipotle sauce, and there's one other thing. And potatoes. All in those taquitos.
Yeah, they're so good.
Wow. This is homemade Mexican vegan food at its finest. Doesn't get much better than your local hosts taking you to spots that make you feel at home that only a local would know. It would be hard to find a rock climbing gym that allowed your dog to come hang out and demand to play fetch with random clients at the rock gym in the States, but here in Mexico it's magical. You can just enjoy your life, your animals can be with you, there's less silly rules, and I really love it. It is pizza night at Casa de Claudia. How did you make this mozzarella so fast?
We used some cashew cheese that we had,
Okay.
plus some tapioca starch, coconut oil, and basically that's
And you
agar to make it hard.
Wow,
Yeah.
they look so legit. It's so weird to see. I haven't had mozzarella probably since Julie Pyatt made it for her cheese party I went to when I passed through LA. And to celebrate my final night after a week long in Toluca, we had pizza night. And I sat back, relaxed, and watched these vegan culinary wizards whip up 5 different vegan pizzas made with their homemade cashew and tapioca mozzarella. I felt a part of a wonderful community of like-minded people that week, which is hard to come by in my life, so I am forever grateful for Cloud, Ben, and the whole family of dogs, humans that I met there. Thanks so much. Pizza número 2 es tomate con barbecue sauce, piña, hongos, oh my gosh, and the homemade mozzarella. This is amazing. You guys have spoiled me, and it's going to be terribly sad to leave tomorrow. There's nothing else I have to say. It's hard to do the dance moves and eat the pizza.
Yeah.
And pizza number 5 for the all veggie. Y'all did good. You worked hard, and now it's time for me to get to work and put some ink in your skin. Let's go to tattoo time. Here's the tattoo studio tonight. We just put the stencil on Ben. We got a elephant with mandalas and kind of some sketch style. It's a wild tattoo. And let's check out the piña. Just put that on Claudia. Boom, look at that classic little piña. Looks great. Maggie, you ready? This will be a longer one. Here we go. You ready, bro?
Almost.
You haven't gotten a tattoo in like 11 years, right?
Years.
Sorry, not sorry. Being a tattoo artist is the weirdest experience. You feel so bad because of the pain you're committing to these people, especially the ribs, but we're done. It was rough.
But it was good.
He was an absolute trooper. He didn't even complain. He just claimed it hurt. He wasn't complaining. That is the tat. I think it is pretty sick. Fair to say nobody else in the world has that tattoo. And you eat what elephants eat.
Eat what elephants eat, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you poop like elephants poop? That is the
Probably,
question.
Probably.
Take epic dumps, hashtag. All right, well, we're going to bed. This has been the most amazing stay, probably maybe of my entire trip. From vegan pizzas to so many dogs, tattoos, yoga, rock climbing, vegan friends. It's been epic. Let's go to bed. And who knows if you'll join me tomorrow after that and how late it is, but hopefully the two of us are riding to Mexico City tomorrow.
We'll get footage of some.
Much love, Dream Extreme.
Dream Extreme.
And it's midnight and Maggie still wants to play. And that is our life. Thanks so much for watching the video. Thanks so much for the support. We are over a year into this journey, and the only way that it's possible is through the monthly donations of all of you who support me on Patreon. So if you haven't yet, the link's in the description down below. Just for $1, $2, $3 a month, it makes the difference and allows Maggie and I to live this lifestyle, spread the vegan message, and provide good content for you all. So thanks so much. Much love, Dream Extreme.